Yo, what is going on, guys? So many of you have been asking for an update, so I thought I'd finally make it. I'm going to be showing you the best VC glitch for NBA 2K26. This is the fastest method to get free VC. You can actually get 450,000 VC using a working glitch, and this works on Xbox, PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, PC, Steam, all of the platforms, and this is the best method. So before I show you this method, make sure you do like this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm always creating and searching for new methods. So this VC glitch is actually going to get you a locker code that you can redeem in game, and it is a glitched locker code. It gives you far too much of VC. Like I said, it gives you 450,000. So let's get into it. As you can see, you've got to use your mobile phone internet browser just to obtain your locker code, and then you can redeem it in whatever platform you play on. Go to www.crashcoupons.com. So as you can see, you've got to spell it like that, guys, Crash Coupons, and it should bring you straight to this web page. They have hundreds of pages of game codes. So what you're looking for, guys, is the NBA 2K26 locker codes page. So just type it in there and click on the page once it appears. And the reason I call this a VC glitch is because this VC code actually supplies you with 450,000. Now, I don't believe it is supposed to supply this much, so it is sort of a glitched code. So this is definitely the fastest method to get free VC in 2K26. So you can see it's found a valid code, and what it's going to do is going to give you the code, but it is hidden. Now this basically prevents people taking all of the codes, because there is a limited number of them. So what you need to do is click on this button and unlock your code by following the instructions on this page here. It is super simple, so don't panic. You just got to complete 2 of the 3 offers below, and these are basically like mobile applications and games and stuff. Just follow the instructions below each of the tasks, because that basically just tells you what you need to do. So it's going to take you about 5 minutes. Just make sure you do follow the instructions, take your time. It's already allocated your code, so yeah, just take your time and complete 2 of them. And once you do that, it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your code will be fully revealed here. So the full code will be shown, and you can grab it, redeem it in your game, whether that be on Xbox, PlayStation, PC, wherever you choose to play, guys. And that is the best VC glitch in NBA 2K26. Go to Crash Coupons and just navigate your way to this code here, guys, by searching for 2K26. And yeah, that is it. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.